Hey, this video is to help walk you through getting into my Canvas course. You're going to go to wsd.instructure.com. If you have struggle logging in, or not logging in, but typing that in, you can also go to Google and type WSD space Canvas, and that will give you a link to get you here. Students will click on the student login button, but I'm going to go ahead and click on my employee login button so that I can get in and access my site. Now, when you get here, you will see these cards. If you do not see these cards, you can go up right up here to these three dots and you can change your view. Some of you might actually have list view. This might not be the best way, as not everything that your teacher wants you to do is on your to-do list. That's basically what this is it's a to-do list. So you can click right here, three dots, and select card view. And then you have all the courses of which you can access right here. Now, you guys are all in my Earth Science course, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Earth Science. That will load automatically this right here. This is what I'm talking about, the calendar. Now, I'm going to switch to student view real quick, just in case student information comes up and I don't want to accidentally record any of that. So this is what you see when you come in. You see these links over here on the left, and you see the calendar here on my home page. Now, if you miss a day, you can always come to the calendar. Let's say you missed August 24th, and you can see students finished the first day lecture. So click on that, watch the lecture through. If you need to take notes, take some notes. If not, you're fine. And then students did a free write. And each one of these you can see is underlined, which means that's a link. If you click on that, it will take you to that assignment right inside of Canvas. You don't even have to go looking for it. Now that's an instance, so if you're absent. But let's say that maybe you just didn't finish assignment that you were there for, and you're like, I don't know what day it was, I can't remember. You can always go to the module button here, the module link on the left. Now I have a few folders in here. There's one called class materials. If you want the notes or you want the presentation file, you want to look at that. All of that's going to be right here. Our classroom policies are right there. You don't need to sign anything. It's not a disclosure. It just tells you what I do in my class, my basic policies. If you don't want to see that every time you log in, click this little arrow and it will collapse that module folder. Now, in the module folder right here, everything is in order. So everything that we're supposed to be doing, the lecture video was the first thing we did in class. Then the lesson write-up is right here, or lesson wrap-up. Let's say you're missing the lab and you want to find it, and it's in this huge unit listing right here. Okay, you could read every single thing on one of those, or you can hit the button Control F. If you're on a Macintosh, that's Command F, and then it pulls up this little search box. Now I can type the word LAB colon, and it will show me everywhere on the entire page the word lab pops up. Now, we were working with chemical light spectra, so if your assignment on your grade it's missing, you can just type in chemical light spectra, and then that shows me there's only 2 of these on this whole page. So that will bring you right to it. And you can see it was due September 1st. That's probably the same thing that says on your grade. So you're like, oh, that's totally assignment. And you can click on that and it will take you right to it. Now, even if we do assignments in class that we did on paper, I will also have an online version for you to do. If we do a group project in class and you weren't there that day, I will always have an online individual version that can be done on the computer. So just keep that in mind. You don't have to be worried about like, oh, if I'm not there, I'm gonna, ruin my life. Just go ahead, go into Canvas. I've got everything there for you. All right, now as always, if you need help, I am at the school, usually very early in the morning before school, and I'm always going to be there afterwards too. So come on and get help when you need it. And please, please, please go to advisory.